Hey everyone, have you ever received bundled or inclusive denial and wondered what went wrong? In today's video, we're gonna see what is bundled or inclusive and how to resolve them. If you're new to this channel, please click the subscribe button below this video so you get notification every time whenever I post new content, helping you to stay updated and improve your skills in this field. Join our community and let's grow together. What is bundled or inclusive? When provider performs more than one procedure for same day for same patient, sometimes procedure is included with another procedure. You may think, how do I know which procedure is included with which procedure, right? Now you have to know about NCCI or CCI. National Correct Coding Initiative edits will tell you which service is included with which service and whether can we unbundle the service or not using appropriate modifier. If you want to check CCI edits, just go to cms.gov website and check the CCI edits. If you don't know how to check CCI edits using cms.gov website, don't worry, I have already created a video. Just go and check it out my video. If you have more than 2 codes for a same claim and you want to check CCI edits, I advise you to check AAPC Codify. AAPC Codify is a paid website, not a free website. Now you know whether the service can be unbundled or not. So now it's time to put modifier for the service. You cannot directly put a modifier to get the payment. In order to add modifier, you have to read the documents. If it is genuinely unbundled service, you can add appropriate modifier. If you don't know how to read medical records and add appropriate modifier to unbundle the service, I highly recommend you to check with your coder. After coder's review, if the service is genuinely unbundled, then add appropriate modifier and resubmit the claim with correct claim number. I hope you like this video. Follow me for more medical billing and coding related videos. If you want any denial topics to be covered, please mention in the comment section. See you on the next video.